Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the mounted rolling desk adjustable height laptop cart, a versatile mobile workstation designed to enhance your productivity with its compact and efficient design. This sleek rolling laptop stand features a small footprint of 23.6 by 20.5 inches, making it perfect for any home or office space while providing ample room for your between laptop, sitting and standing is a breeze with its smooth pneumatic springs, allowing you to adjust the height from 29.6 to 44.2 inches with just a simple press of a foot pedal, catering to your ergonomic needs. Equipped with 4 omnidirectional caster wheels, this mobile desk offers unparalleled flexibility, letting you work from anywhere with ease. Built to last, the desk combines high-quality steel, aluminum, and eco-friendly particle board, supporting over 17 pounds to ensure a stable platform for all your work essentials. The quick and easy setup means you can have this modern rolling table ready in under 10 minutes, allowing you to dive into your tasks without delay. Whether you're at home or in the office, the mounted rolling desk is your go-to solution for a convenient and adaptable workspace. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details